Yo guys, I got something I've never tried before. Switchback. Turn signal, brake, reverse, bulbs, whatever. By AUXITO. Plug and play, no ballast, nothing like that. Let's install them on Blue Betty. You pull this pin up top to get your first headlamp out. Now we're just gonna unplug our turn signal bulb right here. Pull our bulb out. Just simply plugs right in. That's pretty freaking bright. All right, it's twisted back in. Well, let's put our headlamp back in. Bada boom, that's all there is to it, guys. Amber for turn signal, red for brake lights, white for backup lights. So all three colors for all different applications. Lasts a really long time because they're LEDs. And so if you're having a problem with your regular bulbs burning out, this might be a good switch. With a lot of LEDs, you'll experience the fast flash unless you use a special relay or a resistor. These are direct plug and play, nothing to worry about. They'll light up how they're supposed to light up. They automatically turn white, and then you turn your turn signal on, and now they're yellow. You can really notice the difference between the two. They're switchbacks. They'll do what they're supposed to do. How? I don't know, it's magic. AUXITO team has designed and introduced blah, 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 CAN bus error-free LED turn signal bulbs, making installation worry-free. No need for cutting and splicing wires, installing resistors, or relay. It's designed to mimic the power draw of the original, preventing vehicle from throwing out any error messages or fast blinking lights. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Worry-free, plug and play, looks great, works great. Use my discount code to save yourself a couple bucks. I'll put a link down in the description or comments.